All right, folks, let's talk about protein, the building block of life. You hear me talk about the importance of protein all the time, and for good reason. It's absolutely vital for so many bodily functions. It's not just about building muscle, although that's certainly important. We're talking about repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. Animal protein in particular is a powerhouse of nutrition. Why? Because it contains all 9 essential amino acids. These are the amino acids your body can't produce on its own, and you have to get them from your diet. Now, I always recommend prioritizing quality over quantity when it comes to meat consumption. Whenever possible, opt for grass-fed beef, pasture-raised poultry, and wild-caught fish. These options are not only higher in essential nutrients, but also lower in harmful substances like hormones and antibiotics. Remember, your body is a temple. You want to fuel it with the best possible sources of nourishment. Choosing high-quality animal protein is a significant step in the right direction for achieving optimal health and well-being.